Hello everyone, this is Brandon, and welcome back to Bran'sTech. How are you all? I hope that everyone's been doing well. So, in this video I want you all to see a better view. I'll be looking at the Logitech C270. Let's get started. Guys, so as you can see, this is the Logitech CS7, the 270 HD webcam. Is 30 frames per second. And as always, I'll also look at the back. So it has regular high definition, which is also widescreen for video calls, and it has built-in noise reducing microphone. And so, let's see if there's any other notes. So, it works for both Windows, Microsoft Windows, and the various Mac operating systems. Of course, it comes with both the camera and the box. And on the other side, it is flexible, and goes beyond what is built in. So let's go ahead and open up the box, shall we? Alright, so first thing we do, don't want to destroy the box too much. We have the webcam right here. So let's move that part of the box out. And ooh, like this. Let's see. I have an instruction manual here. Let's move that out. So let's read what the instruction. Alright, so we can see here you can connect it and tilt it like so, and hook it up to your computer. Very nice. And of course the safety guidelines. That's always rather important. So I'll definitely put this off to the side for later. And I'm glad that the cord is rather long. So let's go ahead and unwrap this tape. So, ooh, I like this. So this part right here can move around, and so you can just, I guess, add it on to stuff. And overall, this looks rather nice. Yes, while it is standard high definition and not full high definition, which would be 1080p, this is for most parts the same standard that laptops have. I'm mainly using this for my monitor setup, just because I don't want to have the laptop screen open. I just want to be able to work like this. And so overall, I think this will work well. And of course, I'll get back to you all when I'm able to use it a bit more. Until next time, everyone.